Well, I have an update and some good news about this rear blend door that I have a video on that I did 6 years ago. Well, I had to open this up again to replace the heater core. I'm going to do a video on that, the rear heater core. But when I took it all apart, I checked this out and look, this thing is still holding up 6 years later. 6 years later. I even found the plastic piece that broke off the first time. There it is. These things are cheap, so it really helps to do a metal version of this. And I had one guy comment that he's had to replace his because of the plastic parts several times. So check out the video on how to do this, and this is good news.